In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have a suggestion strip, you need to go into settings and scroll all the way down. This way you can access additional settings and then find keyboard ones. To do that, hit Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Corrections and Suggestions to scroll and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!